opportunity to experience the evolution of the SIRI framework. The first SIRI assessment was completed 4 years ago, and the second SIRI assessment in April 2022. The Rockwell management was surprised by the advancement that INSEAD has made with the SIRI framework. For us, SIRI provides an efficient and structured way to assess the digital maturity of Rockwell and other organizations across various industries. This is valuable to the Rockwell management because it indicates to us where Rockwell positions with our other peers. With the SIRI assessment, Rockwell was made aware to accelerate its efforts on 3 priority areas, namely shop floor automation, workforce development, strategy and governance. This recommendation was contextualized based on Rockwell's current needs, and the management was convinced to take action. As with most MNC, Rockwell management requires a business case before approving the investment budget. So Rockwell's Singapore Plant Manager, Ms. Wong, mentioned that the SIRI assessment report helped her to prioritize the budget and also the manpower plans required to implement the connected enterprise.